this one is the newer version. This one is the newer version. Hello, today we are going to do a quick unboxing between these two guys, the QCY T1 and this is the QCY T2C. I will do a quick unboxing and a side-by-side comparison, and then I will give these two a brief review, and I will also share with you guys one simple trick in using this, which I think most of you did not know, so stay tuned. Let's start with the unboxing. We're gonna start with this one first, the QCY T1. This is the earbuds and the charging case. Inside here. Yep, there's nothing here. Now this one, the quick start guide or the manual. QCY T1. The manual is in Chinese, or there's an English version too. The ear tips and micro USB charging cable. So that's it. Here is the QCY T1. This one is the white version. You can also get it in black color. It's only available in two colors. It's made of plastic. It has a matte finishing. It has magnets to secure so it won't fall even if it doesn't have a lid. Now let's move on to the T2C. The packaging looks a bit cheap. The charging case and the earbuds inside. Micro USB charging cable. User manual. QCY T2C. Chinese and English. And also the ear tips. This is QCY T2C, black color. Similar to the T1, you can also get it in white version. Also secured by magnets, so it doesn't fall. Comparison between the QCY T1 and the QCY T2C. So what are the major differences? Let's talk about the size. The T1 charging case is smaller. T2C is bigger. This one has no lid, so it's prone to dust and dirt from your pockets. As for this one, it has a lid, a translucent lid, so you can see the LED indicator in the earbuds. Next is the battery. This has a 380 mAh and this one has an 800 mAh. Let's compare the earbuds. Both earbuds looks very similar. Everything looks the same. Here is the microphone. The only difference that I can see is the pin connector. The T2C has a bigger surface of pin connector, while this one has a smaller pin connector. If you try to put this onto this charging case, it will not charge. I think due to the pin connector being small, it doesn't touch on the pin connector here at the case. But this T2C earbuds is actually compatible with this charging case. The red light means it's charging. I've tested both of these. I'm not sure if it's just me, but to me the sound quality is the same. I cannot hear any differences. Now let's move on to the quick review. I'm not going to do a very detailed review because there's a lot of reviews out there that you can refer to in terms of the sound quality, the mic test, everything. The QCY T1 and the QCY T2C, these are one button operation earbuds. The functions: when you press once to play or pause, double tap the right earbuds to skip tracks, double tap the left earbuds to go to the previous tracks. So what are the pros and cons of these earbuds? The pros is that it has a good sound quality given for its very cheap price. It also has an IPX4 rating, which is splash proof and sweat proof, so you can use this when you go for a jog or at the gym. As for the cons, there are no volume controls. You have to do it on your phone. Also, the earbuds are a little bit bulky, as you can see here. Some might be okay with that. Last but not least, some might consider this as pro and some people might consider this as a con, which is the button. If a touch control, you only need to tap, while this button control you have to press it. Sometimes people do not like when you have to press it against your ear. This might be a deal breaker for side sleepers, because if you sleep on your side, you might be pressing against the button and end up pausing your music. Okay, first things first, go to Play Store and search for Qdroid. Install this app. Okay, once it is done, make sure that you are connected to your wireless earbuds. Connect to your earbuds. Once connected, go to the app, give all the necessary permission, the notification access, and also permit drawing over other apps. Tap on your model. For the button controls, you go to settings. Here you see the left earphone settings, so you can change the 2 touch settings and the 4 touch settings. The right earphone settings, change to volume up. So here it is. This is the touch information according to your settings. Okay, now let's try the app. Remove the right earbuds and the pop-up screen will show up. Yeah. Okay, let's try the touch controls. Yes, it's working. Left 4 times means volume down. That's all, guys. Get the QCY T2C if you want a bigger battery, and also if you want a lid. So that's it, guys. If you are looking for a budget truly wireless earbuds, you will never go wrong with these two. I would personally recommend either one of these because the sound quality are very good given that the price is very cheap. Guys, I hope this video helps. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next videos. Thank you.